Once you've added the Smile app to your store, in your dashboard, go to Integrations and then find the Fera listing. To set up your point system, go to Programs. Under Earn Points, click on Add Ways to Earn. Scroll down to Smile Apps and select the action you want. Then, enter the amount of points you want to award for each action. Click Create when done. Do this for each Fera action. Once you've set up your points in Smile, head over to your Fera dashboard. Go to Configuration, then Incentives. Under Integrations, you'll see that Smile and Fera are connected. Click on the 3 black dots, then Manage. Here, enter the points for each section so that it matches what you entered in your Smile dashboard. Once done, click Save. Now, when you send out automatic review requests, points will automatically be given to your customers once you approve their review. If you have any questions or are in need of further assistance, please contact our support team and they'll be more than happy to help you.